All right, so the three of you are a bit interesting pair. You're a state senator, you're backing Mitt Romney, clearly with your sign, and you guys are with Ron Paul. Do you guys know each other, or?
Just friends now.
Just friends now?
We're friends now. We watch the same movies on Netflix.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Food matters.
Yes.
No, what you're supporting Mitt Romney? Tell me why.
He's been under the spotlight for what, 4-6 years now, and he's proven himself, and I'm very proud of him. He's a good American, and I know he's going to bring us out of this debt problem we have.
Now you guys you can't vote actually. You're both 17,
No,
right?
we wish we could.
Now tell me why you guys like Ron Paul so much.
He wants to restore our Constitution back to its original, our founders, and we really like that. We admire him for that. He's been saying the same thing for 30 years, unlike Mitt Romney, who's in 2007, he said he was pro-choice, but now he says he's pro-life, according to the public. He's just about the public and making money. His top contributors for money are corporations, unlike Ron Paul, who gets all his donations, or 50% of donations from the military, and those are the ones who, they want Ron Paul to win, and those are the ones fighting our wars. And he is appalled by the NDAA, the new law that has been passed, unlike Romney, who supports it. John McCain actually wrote the law, and now John McCain is endorsing Mitt Romney. So, as you can, do you know what the NDAA is?
Yeah, I'm familiar.
Yeah. It's a horrible new law that takes away our Bill of Rights and detains and assassinates the American people on our own U.S. soil because of anti-government.
That's a lot. That's a lot right there.
He likes Ron Paul.
What Mitt Romney obviously doing well in the polls. If he's a likely nominee, who do you think would make a good vice presidential pick for him?
I will let him make that decision.
Yeah.
I know he's going to be good on our business.
Saw Kelly Ayotte was been going around with him.
Out there because Kelly Ayotte was very, very popular U.S. Senator, doing a great job in the U.S. Senate.
Now tell me, but I haven't talked to you much, tell me why you like Ron Paul.
I like Ron Paul for many reasons. One of the main reasons I like him is for his Health Freedoms Amendment. In the United States, there is a law passed by the Senate that only a pharmaceutical drug can cure, prevent, or treat any disease, which is proven many times incorrect. I mean, just simple, the disease scurvy can be cured by eating citrus fruit because you just need vitamin C. But according to the law, if you hold up an orange and say this is the cure for scurvy, you could be arrested for a federal crime. This is not right. This limits our health freedoms, and this is what Ron Paul wants to change.